You've got ambition, a great phone camera, and shaky hands. It's a curse many videographers have experienced. But don't worry, you can easily lift the curse and achieve stunning image stabilization with a motorized phone gimbal. A gimbal is a photography tool that uses motors and gyroscopic sensors to stabilize the camera automatically. It allows photographers and videographers to achieve clean, floating shots without having to use a large Steadicam. Gimbal kind of looks like selfie sticks, except they contain batteries, motors, and photography controls. Phone gimbals are a growing phenomenon. They're very popular among amateur videographers, YouTubers, and video hobbyists. After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 5 best phone gimbals to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 5. FeiyuTech Vlog Pocket. If you're looking for a simpler device, the FeiyuTech Vlog Pocket is the best pick for you. This device collapses into a shape that will fit easily into your purse or a small day pack, and it is light. This is the smallest gimbal and is as tall as your phone and only weighs 272 grams, which is not much heavier than your cell phone, so it is super portable and can easily fit in your pocket. The FeiyuTech gimbal balances your phone automatically. This is a desirable feature for those who want to save time when it's time to get those spur-of-the-moment shots, or those who don't want to deal with the often arduous tasks of balancing the gimbal for every single use. As you'd expect, there's also an app, and this is packed with features that include motion time-lapse, overlapping image, and light tracking. The grip contains the battery, which is integrated to the build and will supply the gimbal up to 8 hours of battery life. As there's no joystick to move the head, you have to do this part by hand, physically moving the head, which is a little doubting, but it all seems to work. If you're filming yourself in the background, then why don't you need to turn the head in another direction? The Vlog Pocket is compact, lightweight, and extremely easy to use. It stabilizes your footage to produce professional, smooth, fluid footage that's ideal for use when vlogging. A particularly attractive trait of the Vlog is the price. If you want a motorized gimbal but don't want to dent your funds too much to get one, this model is a solid choice. Number 4. DJI Osmo Mobile 3 Combo. Some people may frown the fact that DJI Mobile 3 has integrated battery, but it's an 18,650 lithium-ion battery with a 2,450 mAh capacity that, with a properly balanced phone, can run this thing for 15 hours. You're not going to be doing this for 15 hours, so this is an all-day battery, and it's really cool that it's integrated. You can charge it overnight, and this thing's going to last you all day. DJI Mobile 3 uses the Mimo app, which seamlessly connects these two devices. It uses Bluetooth, but you don't have to set it up every time. Basically, when you turn on the app and turn on the Mobile 3, it connects automatically. It's super seamless. That's one good thing DJI has never failed at, is good software. Now, one good thing about this Mimo app is that all of these controls on here are designed to be used one-handed, keeping your other hand free so you can control your phone, record, stop, start, zoom in and out. The orientation of this device. One of the reasons this gimbal is so good is DJI has been the leader in drones for many years, and every one of those drones has an amazing gimbal on it. So they've pretty much perfected the gimbal technology, and they've shoved it all into this really affordable handheld unit that you can put your beautiful iPhone 11 or Samsung phone camera on here. They've included the Track 3.0 in the DJI Mobile, and you can basically draw a square around a subject, an animal, a dog, a cat, anything, and this thing will track it so you don't have to worry about your framing. All of your framings are handled in the software. It's super impressive, and obviously you can use this as a normal gimbal. Now, because there's a thumb switch right here that controls your zoom, you can use this to get super cool Hitchcock-style dolly zooms that you see in movies. It also has a built-in slow-mo feature, so you can get that buttery smooth cinematic B-roll with your phone. The DJI Mobile 3 allows you to select different points and create the amazing moving time-lapses. With its advanced features, it's easy to use, works with wide-angle lenses, and you can't beat it. Number 3. Zhiyun Smooth 4. The Zhiyun Smooth 4 is a robust 3-axis gimbal with performance on par with the DJI Hohem series, to which it's often compared. More than just a cheaper alternative, it's a fantastic contender on its own. The gimbal gets all the basic right, long life battery, a stable mount that accepts most smartphone models, and various useful shooting modes like object tracking and time-lapse. What we like the best about Smooth 4, though, is the range of control buttons that give quick access to tools and shooting modes. It's a convenient option since you don't have to awkwardly tap on your phone screen in the middle of shooting, disrupting your filming and concentration. While advantageous, the one minor drawback of the abundance of buttons on the Smooth 4 is that it can be overwhelming for beginners. You'll quickly get used to them though, and soon find it a much more powerful way to shoot smartphone videos. The gimbal is surprisingly inexpensive for what you get, especially given the impressive stability and the amount of extra control on offer. Overall, it's a great deal for both amateur and professional smartphone cinematographers, making the Zhiyun Smooth 4 our top smartphone gimbal pick of 2021. This stabilizer will work great and help you create amazing content. Don't forget to balance your phone after turning on the gimbal. It's very easy and convenient to use, having a practical build and lightweight. Its joystick is also within thumb reach and the buttons are more logically placed this time. Its battery is very long lasting and can be charged with the device. To make sure everything is intact, you can use the stabilizer to charge your phone as well. Number 2. Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus is a significant upgrade over the iSteady X above, adding more stability and better capacity to capture fast-moving footage. That makes this preferable option for serious vloggers or filmmakers. This gimbal sport mode does a great job of capturing fast scenes where there's plenty of movement going on. It can pick up even tiny movements and compensate for ultra-smooth results. This mode is beneficial for those who want to film extreme action scenes without ending up a blurry mess in the final video. The gimbal also has advanced modes like time-lapse, auto-retouching, and slow motion to add creative spins to your productions. The iSteady Mobile Plus is a dream for vloggers as well. It has a compact foldable form that can be easily stored in a bag or pocket, and the smartphone can be quickly snapped into the clamp for taking shots at a moment's notice. The long 12-hour battery life is also ideal for a full day of filming without having to stop to recharge. Number 1. DJI OM4. Best known for its famed consumer drones, the DJI also produces high-quality gimbals. The DJI OM4 is one of its best, with exceptional stability, intuitive controls, and solid customer service backed by a reputable brand. It's also significantly more travel-friendly than its predecessors, weighing under a pound and sporting impressive battery life of up to 15 hours. A unique feature of the OM4 is the magnetic phone clamp attachment, enabling you to snap in or remove your phone in seconds. While this lets you use phones of any size with the OM, be aware that it can reduce the stability somewhat for heavier phones like iPhone 12 Pro Max. The 3-axis gimbal of the OM4 is one of the most stable on the market, keeping your smartphone steady enough to capture exceptionally smooth video. You can use the OM4 on its own or pair it up via Bluetooth with the DJI Mimo app to open more options for resolutions, frame rates, and advanced features. One of these is the Active Track 3.0, the proprietary tracking technology that DJI also uses in its top-of-the-line consumer drones. Other useful tools like dynamic zoom, time-lapse, and Clone Me panel also make shooting creative videos fun and easy. One small caveat with these tools though is that they might not work with some Android smartphones. The Android version of the Mimo app also lacks some of the features of the iOS version, making the OM4 most worthwhile for iPhone owners. Thus, if you're looking for an iPhone gimbal with great performance, you can't go wrong with the DJI OM4. If you're looking to elevate the movies you take with your smartphone, a gimbal is the way to go. These devices are fun and an entertaining way to take your content creating game to the next level. However, getting the best phone gimbal is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.